Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how I travel with my camera equipment. I think one of the most stressful things that I've ever experienced was trying to get my camera equipment onto an airplane. What do I carry on with me? What do I check? How do I get it onto the airplane? What do I bring with me? And I think these are important things that you should have with you, some idea of what you're going to do, some things that you should try to avoid when you're traveling. So today I'm going to cover what I do to get my gear onto an airplane. So let's get to the video that you come here to see. This is my carry-on luggage that I carry on. It weighs 27 pounds, which is a little over 10 kilograms. It's actually probably 11 kilograms. This bag is a little heavy for carry-on luggage, but I've never had an issue with it. And if push came to shove, I could lower the weight of this bag. The reason I like this bag is that I can get to things pretty easily. It's pretty straightforward. It's a clean bag. It's made by Think Tank. They don't make this bag anymore, about 10 years ago. It has big outside pockets. I did a review on this bag, and overall this bag is an okay bag. It's not a bag that I would advise you to buy, but it's an okay bag, and I've been using it for 10 years and I've never had a failure on it. So overall I shouldn't complain about this bag at all. But this bag weighs 27 pounds. This is heavy for carry-on luggage. You're allowed 10 kilograms, usually 21, 25 pounds. So if anybody ever weighed this, it'd be an issue. But I have a plan in my mind that if it ever happened, I could take some things out and put it in my checked luggage. But with that being said, let me tell you what's in here. So the first thing that I have in here is mosquito repellent. I was just in Colombia. I brought actually 100 of these with me. I have 2 left. And I also have wipes for my lenses, to clean my lenses and my binoculars. I can't emphasize how important it is to be like that. The other thing I have in here is my rain fly for my backpack. That came with the backpack. I also have in here a chamois for covering my face and insect netting. That's all I have in this top pocket here. So I have another outside pocket here, and in this pocket here I carry my computer stuff. So I have my USB for my mouse, cable for my hard drive, the hard drive itself I carry it there. There's a lot of cushion here. I will carry stuff up here that I may think I need or something like that. On the outside pocket I also have a USB charger for plugging in. I have cables, I have my earbuds. I also carry ibuprofen because I'm old and I get pain. I also have antacid in here. Something I found out in Colombia is you're only allowed 20 tablets of ibuprofen. So knowing where you're going and knowing the law is important, just so you avoid any problems. In the other outside pocket I have my mouse. And the reason why I have my computer stuff so available to me is that I can easily access my laptop by unzipping here and pulling it out. So if I'm in a situation where I'm stuck in the airport for 6 hours, for example, I can easily just do some computer work. I have a laser pointer here, and I also have the ball head for my tripod. So that's everything I have on the outside. Push came to shove, I would put this in my checked luggage. That in itself weighs about 1.5 pounds right there, so that would definitely take me underneath the weight that I would need. So if I open up the top here, I use this USB-C charging kit. I bought this on Amazon. It has 2 USB chargers and 2 USB 3 chargers on it, so I can charge my laptop with this and my camera with this, and plus charge 2 other things. I also have cables for it. This is important to have with you because again, this is something I can put in my checked luggage if I have a problem with weight, but it's important to have with you if you're stuck in the airport and you have to do some computer work. So that's what I have here. I have a bag here that I have extra batteries in, my chargers for my batteries, anything like that that I need in here, parts for my tripod, that kind of stuff. I bring extra clothing with me. I usually have a clean shirt, a pair of underwear, and a pair of socks. And the reason for that is that if I get, for some reason I miss a flight or something like that and I have to stay in a hotel, just having a clean shirt, clean underwear, and clean socks can make you feel like a new person. I have the strap for my camera. I also have in here my 150 to 600 Sigma lens. I have a 400 millimeter lens here. I have my camera body. I would also have that camera body in here. My 28 to 105, which would be the only lens that I bring with me. I also have in here, this is the bag I carry with me when I'm out in the field. I have a rain fly for my camera. I have cleaning cloths for cleaning off my camera, extra batteries. One thing that I can't emphasize enough, especially if you're flying overseas, is toilet paper. I've been in hotels that didn't have toilet paper, so having your own toilet paper is kind of important to have with you. And that's basically everything that I have on my carry-on luggage here. Like I said, the tripod goes in my checked luggage, and to lighten this up a little bit, I would have taken the ball head out of it, and maybe the battery system for the computer and stuff like that. But I don't bring anything else with me, and the reason why I use something like this instead of the charger that came with the computer is that it's lighter, it's easier to carry, and it's not a single function item. I can charge my camera with me, I can charge other things with it. Another thing that I bring with me is business cards. If you want somebody to follow you on social media, and if you don't have business cards, but if you want to follow somebody, saying, hey, follow me and my name is XYZ, giving them a card is a lot easier than hoping that somebody remembers it. So that's everything I have there. I have one other thing that I bring with me, and it's called my personal item. This is the item that I carry with me. In here would be my binoculars and any documentations I need with me. This stays with me all the time. I'll put this bag in the overhead, but this stays with me. This is usually either sitting on my lap or underneath me, sitting next to me. And the reason for it is I don't want to lose my passport, and I don't want to be in a situation where I don't have my binoculars. And that's how I get onto an airplane, with my camera gear. Now obviously all my other clothing would be in checked luggage and stuff like that. But one thing when you check luggage, I want everybody to have a mental picture of this. You might lose your luggage, and if it gets lost, just have the philosophy that you can go and buy some clothes. If it's lost for 1 or 2 days, it's not a big deal. They'll get it to wherever you're going. But it's kind of important that you have a very positive attitude, and that's probably the single most important issue that I can tell you as somebody who flies with camera equipment, is to have a positive attitude. Have the attitude that you're going to get the stuff on the plane, and that's it. And I have been pulled aside several times for individual security screenings because of the fact that I stand 6'3" and I look like a threat to everybody in the face of the plane, apparently. But just having a positive attitude, and the attitude that it's okay, you don't have anything that's wrong with your bag, and at the end of the day, you're just trying to get in the plane, and the people that are there are just trying to do their job. So I'm hoping this is helpful. If you got anything out of this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel, because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.